ฉันระวัง
อ๋อ IBM
IBM Personal Computer
คงจะทำในอเมริกา
ไม่ใช่ทำในแวงกาลาตา
แวงกาลาตา
ออสเตรเลีย
อ๋อ ออสเตรเลีย อุ๊ย นี่อะไรเนี่ย
Until now, there have been only 2 places in the world where IBM has built personal computers. Now, there's another. Australia. So now Australians have a stake in a sunrise industry. And soon, Australia will have a valuable new export.
IBM สงสัยทำในอเมริกา
ไม่ใช่ทำจากแวงกาลาตา
I've chosen this driver training complex to test Bridgestone's new Computer Cat 2. Surprise situations are built into these roads. They're designed to spring up any time. Because of the lower profile and wider tread, it greatly improves grip and safety. I reckon you owe it to your family to drive on Bridgestone's Computer Cat 2.
To mix it, bale it, store it, cart it, move it, spray it. The answer is as simple as Jetstream. Jetstream manufacture a huge range of quality farm machinery that's right for your farm. Truck bins, augers, fill bins, hydraulic harrows, transportable silos, the famous 5-in-1 grouper, and the accurate computer spray. If you want tough, reliable farm machinery, Jetstream is the only name you need to remember. See your local Jetstream dealer. Jetstream, the year-round farm machinery.
There's one question we're always asking at New Idea.
What's new?
Our editors ask it. Our experts ask it.
What's new?
Our journalists and our personalities ask it.
What's new?
We keep asking this question so we can give you what's new in fashion, in news, in showbiz, recipes and romance every week. So when you ask the question, the answer's simple. New Idea. It's what's new every week.